Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem where 500 to the power 500 over 250 over to the power 250 is equal to 500 to the power, this 500 can be written as 225 plus 250 over 250 to the power 250 is equal to, now we know that a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So we can write here 500 to the power 250 times 500 to the power 250 over 250 to the power 250. Again we know that a to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a over b whole to the power m. So we can write here 500 to the power 250 times 500 over 250 whole to the power 250 is equal to 500 whole to the power 250 times, here we will get 202 to the power 250. Again we know that a to the power m times b to the power m is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we can write here a to the power m plus b to the power m is equal to a times b whole to the power m, a times b whole to the power m. So we can write here 500 times 2 whole to the power 250 is equal to, we know that 5 times 2 is 10 with these two zeros whole to the power 250. Now 1000 can be written as 10 cube whole to the power 250 is equal to, again we know that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we can write here 10 to the power 3 times 250 is equal to 10 to the power 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 will be carried, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times plus 1 is 7, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.